have big breaking news coming in from Venezuela, where gunfire has been reported near the presidential palace in Caracas. Sounds of gunfire are reported near the presidential palace in Caracas. This has been reported by several outlets, and they have published videos that show shooting in the area around the Miraflores Palace. Unidentified drones allegedly approached the presidential complex in Caracas. Unidentified drones were seen near the presidential complex in Venezuela's capital, prompting a response from the Presidential Honor Guard. There were also reports of air defense systems being activated and armored vehicles moving through parts of the city. Heavy gun firing has been reported near Presidential Palace in Venezuela. Remember this coming in when Venezuelan president is in the United States. He was captured after the military strikes on Saturday by the United States. And now heavy gun firing has been reported near the presidential palace in Venezuela. So situation in Venezuela remains tense. This even as the vice president earlier, Delcy Rodriguez, took charge as the interim head. But clearly stability seems far away, and now heavy firing has been reported near the presidential palace. So gunfire heard near the Miraflores presidential palace in the capital Caracas, and several outlets have shown videos that appear to be lights from drones and anti-aircraft fire. Remember this coming in even after as earlier ousted Venezuelan leader and his wife pleaded not guilty to the drug and weapons charge in a New York courtroom. Maduro was captured, remember, in a U.S. military operation, and he told the judge in New York that he had been kidnapped in Caracas. And earlier, Maduro's ally, Delcy Rodriguez, was sworn in as the acting president. And earlier, U.S. President Donald Trump said that he considered himself to be in charge of Venezuela. So gunfire reported near Presidential Palace in Caracas. This is the big breaking news that we are bringing to you right now. Several outlets, news outlets, have shown videos that show shooting in the area around the Miraflores Palace.
Good night. Que se dice así?